Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. And as usual, it's either sunny or rainy, and today's the rainy state of Florida. So today's video is I'm gonna talk about the Dodge Challenger drag pack. I was able to finally see one in person at the big showdown. Man, and that thing is stout. It's beautiful. So I wonder, what do you guys think? You think I'll be able to make my own drag pack? I think I'm going to probably change my car from the wrap you see in this Rapid like a drag pack. What you guys think? And if this is your first time checking out the channel, or even not your first time checking out the channel, definitely tap that subscribe button down below. Hit the bell icon, ding, for future upload. Like, share, and comment on the videos. So, a poor man's drag pack. I think that's what Demonology is doing. He has an actual drag pack body that's stripped, and he's gonna build a drag pack. But what if I already have this and I just convert it to a manual drag pack, the one and only manual drag pack in the world? I could go ahead and pull this wrap off. The car is white underneath, so let me know what you guys think. But here is some footage of a drag pack from the track when I was in Texas, and it was a beast. I think the run I saw, it ran like 8.0 or 8.1, but I think it could run in the 7s. I know for a fact with my manual I won't be able to run in the 8s. I don't know if anybody have ran in the 8s. But yeah, enough with the chit chat. Go ahead and check out these drag pack footage. This drag pack footage I got from Texas.
Ain't gonna get out there till you come with it. Don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low when no love goes. Women buddy like a